Hi guys, it's Jessica Nicole Dickerson aka JND, and I'm coming at you with another video. For today's video, I thought it'd be fun to do a reading vlog, but not like a weekly reading vlog or like just a day. I'm gonna do the weekend. So today it is currently August 31st, Friday. So I don't have classes on Fridays because I'm a college student, you know. I get to pick my own schedule. Yeah, so all my roomies are doing things, and of course I'm not doing anything besides reading, and I thought I'd vlog it because it would actually motivate me to read way more and do a little less Netflix, because I totally would just binge Glee, because I'm rewatching Glee, by the way, and I'm loving it. But yeah, I figured I'd take you along the weekend, which is probably gonna mostly just be in my apartment because I don't do much. Yeah, so I plan on reading, and I also have so many videos backlogged. I was supposed to upload a ton of them. I have like 3 filmed and none of them are edited. So I have to edit them and get them ready to upload next week, because I feel like I haven't uploaded in like 2 weeks, and it's been a while, and I need to fix that. But yeah, my reading plans are to finish The Wicked Deep. I'm 60 pages in right now. I'm loving it. It's very, ooh, it kind of matches the background in my shirt. Loving it. Very creepy. I can see how people say like love kind of happens fast, because I can already see the relationship that's gonna happen, even though it hasn't happened already. But yeah, we'll see. And I also want to finish Brown Girl Dreaming by Jacqueline Woodson. I'm 50 pages into this. I started this a couple weeks ago. Haven't finished it. And it's also kind of blue. Ooh. Yeah, I want to finish it basically this weekend. I can finish both of these because they're both not very long, and Brown Girl Dreaming is written in free verse, so it should be really fast, and it's also on script so I can listen to it. And if I do any of that, I will be so excited. Oh, and by the way, I should show you around, because hopefully my movement vlog will be up by the time this is up. But yeah, my roommate Rituja hung up this cute little tapestry. So it's a cute little decoration by the dining room. And then look how awesome. This looks so cute. The lights, I know you can see it, but like, isn't it so flippin' cute? It's like, I love. Our living room is so adorable. Isn't it pretty? Pretty, pretty? I'm gonna make some coffee, because now I'm excited for coffee. I'm gonna do that. Okay, and I apologize for the lighting being so weird. It's because I'm in front of a big yellow light, there's a blue light behind me, and Christmas lights above. So hopefully maybe doing weekly or weekend reading vlogs will help motivate me to read, because I know during the week I'm gonna be stressed. I could do weekend reading vlogs, and that'll encourage me to read more, because to reach my goal of 50 books this year, I have to read at least 6 books a month, or 5.5 technically. I've finished 28 books so far. I have 22 to go, and I know I can do it. There's 4 months left, so it's I totally can do it. I would love to at least read 2 books a week. It'd be great if I could read more. Segue, I totally bought a book, but sadly, I got the notification to pick up the package at my university, and I got the notification too late, and the office was closed, and it's Labor Day weekend, so it's gonna be closed Monday too, so I can't get my book until Tuesday. So sad, I know, right? What a hard life. It is September 1st, and I totally knocked out last night, but I read a decent amount of The Wicked Deep. Let's see what page I'm on. So I'm on page 145, so I'm nearly halfway through the book. My goal today is to finish this book, and And it was kind of funny. I was supposed to meet with a group this morning for like a class. We have to meet up weekly and take a picture and upload it to like prove that we're meeting weekly. So like yesterday I was texting everyone like, oh my god, when are we gonna do this? When are we gonna do this? And then we decided to do it today at 10:30, and I didn't even set an alarm or anything. So oops. I woke up at like 10:15 going like, oh, do I have something to do today? Realizes I have to meet group in like 15 minutes, so I literally whooped on the first shirt I saw and brushed my teeth and ran out. So I met with them and I had breakfast and I got coffee, and now I'm going to read. I think what I'm going to do, because I don't want to just read, I also want to edit my videos, and I also want to practice my monologue, see if I can get ish done. And then I'll take a lunch break probably around like, because right now it's, so right now it's about 12:17, so I will probably stop and have lunch. God, what is life? What am I talking about? Oh my god. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna read now and do the thing. Okay, I wanted to jump in really quick and say, you know how it was like 12:30 like just a little bit ago, and I was telling you about how I was gonna read, edit, and then work on my monologue? Yeah, none of that happened. It is now like 2 o'clock and I just finished filming my August wrap-up. My camera kept dying in the middle of it because I need to charge it. So it's probably gonna die in the middle of this clip. But yeah, so I did that for about an hour, tried to rush through it. And now I think, well, I should have lunch soon, right? Like food. I think I might start editing. We'll see. So it's 5:07. Guess what I've done? Nothing. I filmed a video, that's about it, and I met with my project people. Yeah, I'm productive. But in the last hour, I've done this beauty. Do you like? I've been trying out watercolor, and then I got some the pens, the fancy pens. I want to call them macarons, but it's like macrons. I don't, who knows? But look, very proud. Yes. And then if you wanted to see the first image I did a while back, like a couple days ago, it's this one. Oh, I didn't even realize my both backgrounds are yellow. Oops. Okay, but yeah, this was my first one I did a couple days ago. And then this one. So I'm just practicing my drawing. But I really should start reading because I'd like to finish The Wicked Deep tonight. So I should start reading. Maybe that might be a good idea. And then I also want to pick my monologue and practice it because I have an audition Tuesday for theater. And I don't have a monologue ready. But yeah. But I'm sitting here watching YouTube, drawing. Yeah. So it's Sunday and I haven't done a checkup yet because I really haven't done anything today. Like, as you can probably tell, I did my hair, so it's covered in gunk. But yeah, on Sundays I like doing my hair just because it takes so long, hours of all that extra work. So yeah, I normally do it on Sundays, so that way I'm ready for the week. Even though I don't have class tomorrow on Monday because it's Labor Day, getting it out of the way, you know, and that way tomorrow can be like the homework day. But yeah, I haven't done much. I watched a lot of Glee and YouTube. So now I'm actually get some work done. So I'm going to go sit down. I'm gonna go pick a monologue because I have a theater audition on Tuesday. I'm gonna study it for maybe 30 minutes, digest, you know, build a character, you know, acting stuff. And then I really want to finish The Wicked Deep tonight. So that way tomorrow I could try and do Brown Girl Dreaming or finish that. I didn't check up with you last night because I was FaceTiming my boyfriend, which we'll probably have it again tonight if I'm just being real. But that's okay. He's a priority. Don't be mad at me. But yeah, I'm gonna go do that now. So it's Monday, Labor Day. I think it's like September 3rd. And I finished The Wicked Deep last night, so I'm very proud of myself. I did one thing so far this weekend, and now I've left everything else for today. Like, I want to edit and upload a video. I want to pre-edit all the other videos I filmed. I want to practice my monologue for tomorrow's audition. I want to do my homework that's due tomorrow. So yeah, I had breakfast. And of course I said I'm gonna do all those things, but we'll see what happens. And right now I'm going to tackle the messy room, because yeah, it's messy. So I'm gonna do that first. Tired. It is almost 6 o'clock, so I'm about to have dinner. But I was just gonna wrap the vlog here because I'm basically gonna be doing homework the rest of the night, which means that I'm reading and being really boring and really quiet, and not reading like fun reading, like reading like Shakespearean. So yeah, I have to read a play tonight that I should have been reading all weekend, but just wanted to quickly wrap up what I read. So I started and finished The Wicked Deep, which I am most proud of. 310 pages, really good story. I did put it down in my Goodreads as a 5 out of 5 stars, but I haven't decided yet. I might do a 4 out of 5, just because I did enjoy the story, but I'm not too sure how much I'm going to reread this, because the plot was, you know, standard. It wasn't super exciting. And then I read about 40 pages today of Brown Girl Dreaming by Jacqueline Woodson. Good. I like the writing style of it. It's in free verse, so it's very fast read, very enjoyable. But I'm still in the part where she's talking about her childhood and there's not too much plot going on. We're just learning about her family dynamic, which is very interesting. Yeah. And then other than that, I picked up The Last Avatar, The Last Airbender, Lost Adventures, the comic book, just because I felt like reading something very light. So yeah, I got like 50 pages into that too. I just wanted something simple. I didn't want to climb out of bed this morning, so I was being lazy, and that's what came up. Yeah, now I have to do homework. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and maybe I'll keep doing weekend reading vlogs. Make sure to subscribe and like and all that jazz, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.